Hi guys, Screaming here. Today we're going to test out the new MRT axle-back exhaust system, what I like to refer to as version 2.0. This is a little different than the version 1.0 that I had on the car earlier, so let's give it a try. Have the handy decibel meter. Startup is just under 70 decibels. Car idles right around the mid 50s, 57-ish, so under 60 dB at idle. Okay, here we are cruising 42 miles an hour, 2,000 RPM. Here we are at 42 miles an hour. I've upshifted. We're now cruising just above 1,000 RPMs, so that real, low RPM kind of resonance has really been pretty much eliminated in this version. Here we are cruising 60 miles an hour. Just over 1,500 RPMs. The dB meter has given me just about 74, 75 dBs. Appears to me most of the noise is road noise and wind noise versus the exhaust. At 1,500 RPMs, the exhaust noise is basically not there. Acceleration up to about 4,000 RPM. Again, a more refined, subdued exhaust note. Let me go back here. There is the 2,000 RPM. It does not have that deep booming resonance. Cruising 70 miles an hour, 1,850 RPM. I'm going to downshift, let's just hear the car go from the 1,800 range on up. (2,400 RPM), and now back down. This version of the MRT exhaust seems to offer a more refined, subdued sound when you're cruising, when you're in those low RPM, low load situations, especially in the 1,500 to 2,000 RPM range. Cruising now, I mean, it's got a nice sound to it. But what if I want a little bit on the wild side? Is that still there? Well, let's find out.